Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV is online and you have your phone or computer ready for two-step verification. On the TV, go to Settings, then Accounts, and choose Add Google Account. Select Sign In. Enter your email address exactly as written. Once done, the TV will prompt a code or a QR option. Choose the QR flow if it's faster, otherwise request a verification code and prepare to enter it on the TV immediately. You now authenticate. Scan the QR on the TV with your phone or type the verification code the moment it appears. Once authenticated, pick what to sync: apps, contacts, and YouTube history, because syncing affects recommendations and storage. Make sure to review privacy and location toggles. Disable anything you don't want shared. If the TV asks for permissions for microphone or voice match, decide based on convenience versus privacy. You can change these later in account settings. You finish by opening YouTube or the Play Store to confirm the account name appears and purchases or subscriptions are visible. Once done, sign out any old accounts you don't want on the device and restart the TV so all permissions apply cleanly. If an app won't accept the sign-in, clear the Google Play cache and data, then retry. This resolves most sync errors. If problems persist, reboot the router and repeat the sign-in flow. One last check will usually fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.